With the latest LiveScope Plus system, Garmin's new transducer LVS34 offers you highest resolution live sonar image, and fastest, most responsive sonar feed for as live of an experience as you can get. LiveScope Plus requires the GLS10 sonar module to function, which is the same as LVS32. So, if you are a LVS32 user, you only need an LVS34 transducer to upgrade to LiveScope Plus system. LVS34 supports multiple trolling motor mounting options, including shaft, barrel, and perspective mode mounts. Adjust the transducer to fit where you fish. Forward mode shows what's out in the lower front of your boat. Down mode gives you a view of what's directly below. And perspective mode is great for a top-down view. On your chartplotters LiveScope page, select Options. Sonar Setup. Installation. Make sure Use AHRS is enabled. Then, select Orientation. According to the installation mode of your transducer, select the corresponding orientation. Next, let's take a look at some perspective view comparisons. First, bridge piers. You can see the huge difference. The image from LiveScope Plus shows a clearer and less noise bridge structure. Next, shoreline with DOLAS. It is obvious that the image from LVS34 has a better resolution. The image is sharper and shows more details. And lastly, fish. These are fish. Due to the higher contrast, it is easier to distinguish fish from the background. LiveScope Plus has a better target separation ability. And that's it. Thanks for watching.